Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the rectangle stand. Let's check the material. Firstly, these are the material I got from the factory. Let's check the quantity. First, the color. I checked their picture, their catalog. The picture show is gold color, but it's not look like gold. Much more like khaki. So if you buy something from China just according to the picture, it's very risky. Okay, let's check the quality. The material is iron and the painting peel a little peel off. There are some spots, but overall it's good. The painting is good. And I find one of the stick was bent a little. I think just because the delivery problem, so it cannot be avoided. But it's okay. And this is the connecting stuff. The material is plastic. And I need a hammer, but since I don't have a hammer, so I use this one. Okay then, I'll show you how to install it. The install is very simple. This is why I want to get it from the factory and sell on my page. Very simple. Just pick the stick and use the hammer to insert it in the connect. Okay. Very easy. Because I'm holding the camera, so it's not much convenient for me. But actually, this is very easy. That's why I want to sell it. Those the color, I'm not very satisfied with the color, but you can paint it, so it will be not a problem. Very easy, right? Look at this. Look at this. There's some painting peel off, but it's okay. Okay, completed. Very easy to assemble, right? Uh, okay, let's check it in detail. Um, in fact, the advantage is it's very easy to assemble and easy to this install it and keep it on the store. very convenient for the delivery. That is why I uh, I want to get it from the factory and sell on my page, and it's very and the price is cheap. Um, it has several sizes. Uh, I have I'm planning to sell a 3 size. This is 16 cm top, and we have some smaller and taller. If you are interested to know the price and the size, you can link to the blog. Uh, there's a link on below this video. You can link to my blog for the price and the detail. Um, uh, let's talk about the shortage. The shortage is the color is not the gold color. This is the gold color I want. But anyway, we have I will say I will name it khaki. We have khaki color and white color. But if you don't satisfy with the color, you can spray painting it. It's not difficult. This is the shortage, the color, and they are little painting peel off. You can see some very small spot, but it's not a big problem because the whole looking is really good. The other shortage. Okay. I found there's one iron. This iron stick was bent a little. I think it's just because the delivery and it cannot avoid. But anything, all the shortage is not a big problem because it's very easy to install, very easy for delivery, and the price is cheap. So this is a little force we can accept. Okay, this is today's tutorial. For the next video, I will show you how to decorate this rectangle stand with flower and beads, or maybe small flower ball and bubble, acrylic bubble. If you are interested, you can wait for the new video next week. But please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement. Okay, thank you for your support. Bye bye.